you guys, it's Nicole here and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be doing a retwist and style on my boyfriend's dreads. I had already did a co-wash off the camera because it was gonna take a minute because his hair was dry, so I let the co-wash sit for it's like a deep conditioner, and I let it set for like 5 to 10 minutes because, like I said, his hair is dry. He has dreads, it's natural hair. So after that, I washed it out real good, and now I'm just basically parting and retwisting his hair, and then I will put a style in his hair as well, which you guys will see at the end of this video. I had already, after I did the co-wash and washed it, I basically added leave-in conditioner to put the moisture back into his hair, so that way once the style gets old, his hair will still be moisturized and it won't be dry. After the leave-in, I added hair lotion. Hair lotion. And after the hair lotion, I added oil just to, seal it up in there. And just now, I'm just retwisting his hair, and I'm gonna give him a nice, neat style, and that'll be it. Now, y'all, I must say, retwisting his hair, I was not used to this length because his hair wasn't as long when I used to retwist his hair, but now since they are, I had to get used to them being a little bit longer than before. He actually had to cut them off, but he managed to get them back, which was a good thing. And I like it because now I can do more styles with his hair, and it's longer, and I just love dreads. But after he cut it, I managed to start his dreads back, and he actually ended up, I didn't want to lock him at first because I didn't want him to have dreads, but now seeing him with the dreads now and how long they are, I actually like him with the dreads. So after I started him, he actually got his old dreads attached back, and I'm digging this length. I'm digging this length, and I'm digging the styles, and so much more. Okay, so after this last section, I let him sit under the hooded dryer for at least 15 to 30 minutes. I didn't want to let him sit under there for longer than that because I didn't want the moisture in his hair to dry out, and I don't like dry dreads because who wants dry hair? Dry crunchy hair? Nobody wants that. So I let him sit under there for at least 30 minutes, then I let him come away from under there, which is what you will see in the next scene. Okay, so after all that is done, I'm now on to my favorite part, and that is actually twisting up his dreads to style them. This is just a real basic twist. I'm gonna twist two at a time, and then I'm gonna take those two and twist them with another two, just so it can give a good full twist. So that way, when he unravels the whole dread, not the whole dread, but the whole twist, they will be this nice crinkly style. So that way, after he takes it out of this style, he'll have another style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.